Hello everyone! If you use Boomplay and have found a song you really like, you may want to use it as your ringtone. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set a song from Boomplay as your phone's ringtone. Please remember that there are many different phone models, so the steps may be a little different on your device. If something doesn't work, leave a comment with your exact phone model, and I'll do my best to help you. First, I'll show you how to download the song from Boomplay. Then, we'll open the phone settings and set the downloaded song as your ringtone.